Hello everyone, so today in this video I will show you how to install Ansible with Ansible. Yeah, funny thing. Um, so I have three different distros. So I have OpenSUSE, the latest one, CentOS 10, and an Ubuntu, also the latest one. I believe it's 25.04 or something like that. So I've installed, so I have them here. So the latest versions, and we will use gather facts to only use one playbook for all three distros. We will use when the distribution is OpenSUSE, then we will use this command, because I don't have the module, the built-in module, and I will just use the normal shell. We don't even need the CMD, but I like it like this. And the other tools, so the CentOS 10 and the other one, the Ubuntu 20.04, they are for them we have the built-in module that also comes with Ansible core, so we don't have anything, so it's idempotent, and yeah, it works better if we use the built-in. And the last command is just to check the version, just to show you that I don't have anything installed. We can already check them with the same command. So the same command I'm using after they installed, we can also use to check everything before we install. And as we can see, there is no Ansible installed on them. Let's just execute the playbook and see how it goes. It's number 6. Okay, and ask what. I'm going with the classic ask for password, because I did not copy my certificates over, my keys over, sorry. So we are ready to go. Let's do it. As you can see, it's skipping if the version doesn't match. For Ubuntu it takes a little bit longer. And the final task, we should also see the versions. So for CentOS we got 2.16, and for OpenSUSE and Ubuntu we have the latest, almost the latest versions of Ansible core, 2.18 for each of them. And if we want to double check that with again the same command, we will have the same output. Okay, 2.18, 2.16, okay. And if, for example, we want to remove them, we just need to do a little bit of change. So here, instead of present, we can say absent. And here too. This is easier for when we have the built-in module, and for the OpenSUSE we just go with remove. Okay, and let's execute the playbook one more time, and this will remove everything we've done. Okay, and we can see that we have no output in the last task. This means that there is no more Ansible installed on the VMs. Yeah, basically this was it, a short video, but yeah, this gives you an idea how powerful the gather facts are, and you can check them out. Gathering facts, so Ansible gathers a lot of information, so a lot of informations that you can use to do tasks like this. If you have an environment that has a lot of different distros and you need to install a specific app, so if you have also Linux, CentOS, if you have Ubuntu, if you have OpenSUSE, you can adapt and use a single playbook to install the same application in multiple ways. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of videos.